Question number 11. The widespread public shock at the news of the guilty verdict was caused partly by dash news stories that had dash acquittal. Now we are talking here about what is acquittal. When is a person acquitted? When he is found in the court not guilty. The opposite of acquittal will be when a person gets convicted. When he is convicted, he is found to be guilty. Now, a GRE word for a person who is found not guilty is exonerate, exculpate. The two words you need to learn that goes with being found not guilty. You see the root here, culp, culpable, culprit. Whom do we call a culprit? A person who is guilty of a crime, isn't it? A culpable action is something that will get you punished. So therefore, when a person is exculpated, it means he is not guilty. The opposite, and a person who is exonerated means he is found to be cleared of his crime. So he would be set free. He would be acquitted. Whereas when a person is convicted, he would be inculpated. Culp here again, the root in here becomes within. So a person who is inculpated would be found guilty and he would be therefore convicted. Now this question depends on your understanding of this word acquittal. The widespread public shock at the news of the guilty verdict. Now, what happened in this case was the person was given a guilty verdict. That means he was convicted, he was inculpated. How did the public react to this news of this person being inculpated, of this person being found guilty? How did the public react? With shock. And here we are told in this question, what caused the shock among the public? It was caused partly by these news stories. So news stories had told the people that this person would be, what is that word you've got for the after the second blank? That he would be acquitted. Obviously the news stories have led them to believe that this person is not guilty and he would be acquitted. That's why when the person in actuality was given a guilty verdict, how did the public react? With shock. Now what kind of news stories had led the public to believe this thing, something that is not true? What kind of news stories? For the first blank, do you think the news stories were impartial? What is to be impartial? Fair? No. They were not telling the truth to the public, so they were not being impartial. They were not local, but they were biased. Biased news stories obviously were telling the public the one-sided story, and therefore they were misleading them. So the public, the widespread public shock at the news of the guilty verdict was caused partly by biased news stories that had, the second blank is pretty simple, that had predicted acquittal, that had obviously told the people to expect what? An acquittal. So they had predicted acquittal, but what happened in reality? The person was given a guilty verdict. That's why the shock comes there. You got that? So the first blank, the answer is B, biased. The second blank has to be predicted, not condemned acquittal, denounced acquittal. If the news stories had condemned or denounced acquittal, that means in reality they were saying this man will not be acquitted, he would be given a conviction, isn't it? Whereas the news stories had predicted acquittal, in reality the person was given a guilty verdict.